Our lifestyle habits are changing. In recent years, this has resulted in a booming food service and catering industry. The current trend is for healthy and tasty snacks that are convenient and quick to eat as takeaways. By offering a wide variety of foods ranging from attractive snacks, a tasty lunch option, hot meals, and delicious baked goods, you can secure additional business and demonstrably increase sales for the total sales area. But how can this be achieved? With untrained staff, little space, and high cost pressure. The solution is the new Self-Cooking Center. The Self-Cooking Center is a multifunctional cooking appliance on just 1 square meter of space, in which you can prepare an unbelievably wide range of delicious foods within a very short time. Whether it's grilling, roasting, baking, or steaming, all this is possible in just a single appliance. You can replace almost all conventional cooking appliances, such as convection ovens, rotisseries, baking appliance, microwave, steamer, deep fryer, or grill. This saves space and investment costs. It will also reduce the use of raw materials, and you will need significantly less time, energy, and water. The Self-Cooking Center will pay for itself within just a few months. And what about the quality of the food? Excellent and reproducible results are guaranteed every time. You don't even require cooking experience to operate the appliance, and can create the perfect snack at the push of a button. Thanks to the built-in cooking intelligence, the Self-Cooking Center is operated intuitively. And at the end of the day, it will, of course, quite conveniently clean itself. Curious? Let's talk.